Today, we process more information weekly than our ancestors did in their entire lives. Our brains weren't made for this, and whether we realize it or not, we're all experiencing negative effects on our mental health. But what if you could strengthen your brain? To achieve mental well-being, better performance, and overall health, introducing Mendi. Mendi is the world's most powerful brain training product. Developed in one of Europe's leading clinics, Mendi is the first clinical-grade brain training system designed for home use. Unlike mental exercises or meditation, which train your mind in order to strengthen your brain, Mendi lets you train your brain directly. Anytime, anywhere, and as often as you like.
Today, brain enhancement training happens at clinics. It's commonly used by top athletes and executives to maximize health and performance. But training often costs $100 or more per session, so it's not really been accessible to the average person.
But with Mendi, anyone can train their brain. Setup takes less than 30 seconds. Simply put on the headset, choose the training duration, and control the game.
I went from being Mendi's first investor to being its CEO. At first, I thought it was promising, but as I started using the product and making noticeable changes week after week, that's when I thought to myself, the world needs to know about this. Most users only need 2 to 3 10-minute sessions per week to achieve optimal results.
Here's how it works. Your brain learns from feedback. Through live, visual feedback of what your brain is doing, you can naturally train it to function better. Mendi's headset measures your brain activity through a unique combination of features, including blood flow and oxygenation in the prefrontal cortex. Think of it as measuring fuel in your brain's control center. Your brain activity is then visualized in a training game, a game you control using only your brain. When you focus properly, oxygen and nutrients flow to your prefrontal cortex and the waves will rise. By rewarding you with positive feedback, the training conditions you to increase energy to your brain's control center. Over time, you strengthen the muscles that control and run your entire brain.
I'm excited to see this technology being used in a consumer device for the first time. The portability opens many new doors.
Mendi's become one of my most useful tools in the clinic, but most importantly is that they can bring it home and practice. And what we see consistently is that they're performing better, they're having healthier bodies and minds.
My colleagues and I have been training with Mendi for the past few months and we were fascinated by it. I think it has the potential to change many lives.
Mendi is 100% designed and manufactured in Sweden. Our team includes doctors, researchers, designers, and hardware experts. We're backed by Sweden's top incubator, investors, and we've even received funding by the EU. In 2019, we shipped hundreds of working devices for beta testing. And starting earlier this year, we opened up the Mendi Brain Gym, a public place where anyone can train with Mendi for free. From mental focus to improved health, training with Mendi has helped many people.
My life dramatically improved the day that Sammy and Rickard gave me the opportunity to try Mendi. And it is my mission to give you access to the same type of training. This is unlike most Indiegogo campaigns in that Mendi already has a fully functioning product that has helped many people. I am one of them. We are here to build a community and to listen to your feedback. We know Mendi can change millions of lives, and together we can bring this to the masses. Join us.
One of the most important exercises that we do without even realizing is breathing. However, in today's society, your lungs are affected heavily by unhealthy personal habits or environmental pollution. But it's almost impossible to monitor your lungs on a daily basis. This is Bulo, your personalized breathing training assistant. Place Bulo in your mouth and breathe out for just 6 seconds. It tells you the age of your lungs, your maximum air capacity, and tracks your daily progress. Based on the collected data, Bulo suggests customized breathing exercises that you can make a part of your daily routine. You'll notice the difference it can make on your daily activities that rely on proper breathing. Bulo is crafted from non-toxic materials. It's super low maintenance. And extremely compact, so that you can always keep it on you. Your personalized breathing training assistant. Breathe better with Bulo.
This is Fat Iron. What does it do? Take a wild guess. Exactly! It irons off your fat, and in only 15 minutes a day. But that's not all. It also irons those stretch marks and saggy skin you get after a diet. And the best thing, it's FDA cleared and it really works. See for yourself. How does Fat Iron work? Well, just like the iron you know does, a regular iron removes the wrinkles from your clothes by slowly going over them with heat. Fat Iron was created with the same concept minus the burning heat. It works to strengthen and tone muscles while smoothing and firming the deeper layers of the skin to give you a beautiful, young and sculpted look. During the clinical test, the efficiency of Fat Iron was undeniable. 90% reported fat dimples to be less apparent. 88% reported firmer looking and feeling skin. 89% reported smoother skin. And 89% felt more confident after using Fat Iron. Now, you could turn to clinical non-surgical solutions because they also really work, but then you'd just be paying thousands of dollars for them to add wires, a massive stand, and a fancy screen to a device that will get you the same results. Fat Iron uses the same technology, but instead of expensive bulky machinery, it's affordable, comfortable, for home use, and only requires 15 minutes a day. That's right, only 15 minutes a day. We know you want to hear the science behind it, so let's get to the deeper layer, shall we? Fat Iron is the only device combining radiofrequency electromuscle stimulation and photon red light therapy, 3 powerful clinically proven technologies that help eliminate stubborn fat and remove pesky stretch marks. First, the radiofrequency heats up and gradually destroys targeted fat cells, reducing fat levels. Electromuscle stimulation then sends gentle pulses to firm and tone the muscles while tightening your skin. We even added a special fitness mode that mimics a full fitness workout without the effort. Fat Iron will change automatically from warm-up to toning to cool down, giving you similar results as in the gym. Finally, the photon red light therapy, a technology also used by NASA, uses specific wavelengths to help increase cell renewal, remove stretch marks, and body wrinkles. These energy sources work together to stimulate collagen and elastin, 2 proteins which are key to rejuvenating your skin, making it look firm and young. Fat Iron is the only FDA-approved home-use product that is certified to destroy fat cells, minimize wrinkles, cellulite and stretch marks, and improve the appearance of your skin. All of that while being safe, painless, and affordable. If you want to start ironing your fat and wrinkles off, get your Fat Iron now!